Okay, so C equals 2 pi r, solve for r. Okay, so let me come on down here and write that out. And so C equals 2 pi r. Now I know that pi is a little weird. Pi is just a Greek letter. In the Greek alphabet, it's just the letter P, basically. Anyway, no big deal. Just treat it like a letter. It's just another letter. It's a Greek letter. All right. So here's the equation. C equals 2 pi. That stands for circumference. It's how far around the outer edge of a circle. It's used in geometry and physics, chemistry. Anyway, so whatever. So what we want to do is keep our eye on the ball, so to speak. What's the ball? What are we trying to solve for here? Well, they say for r. And see how they have r alone here? So they want us to solve for r. So let me circle it. Kind of helps us focus because we have lots of letters here. We have C, we have pi, we have r. So it's easy to get lost. And so when we circle it, we go, okay. So we're trying to get r alone. So let me just bring that down here. And that means r is down here saying, I want to be alone. So get rid of this 2 pi so that I can be alone. Okay, all right, now we know what our mission is. Get that r alone. So how are we going to get that r alone? Well, we got to get rid of this 2 pi. Okay, well, how do we get rid of that 2 pi? Should we subtract the 2 pi? No, it's not added, huh? If it was 2 pi plus r, then yeah, we would subtract the 2 pi from both sides because then that 2 pi would be added. But it's not added. What is it? It's times, right? It's times. How do you know? Well, because it's right next to the r. So remember, when letters are right next to each other with no plus or minus in between, that always means multiply. And therefore, the opposite of multiply is divide. So we get rid of that 2 pi by dividing. Do it both at once, just both of them. And then 2 pi's cancel, huh? And r's alone, it is C over 2 pi. That's all you got to do is that one time. Now, when you type in your answer, you can type in C and do the divide, or you can do the fraction bar, and then go 2 and type the words pi, as they say right here, and it'll make a pi symbol for you. Let me show you. Let me share my screen and do that actual question. This is number 4. Let me show you on my version. All right. So click on that, and so you got the fraction maker. So click. Oh, it's got a pi button. You can choose the pi button, huh? Click on the fraction. So what is it? It's C over 2 pi. So I'm going to go C on the top. I wonder if a lowercase c is okay. I don't know. I'm just going to go C. I'm going to go 2, and you can type the words pi. It made a pi, or you can just click the pi button. I think it'll take it. Let me see. Yeah, great. It took lowercase. It made it uppercase for me automatically. Pretty user friendly, just like that. There we go.